A good education is the foundation for a better future. Hi, I'm Sonia Dubey Dewan, India's first certified image professional. A decade ago, I started my journey in the field of image consulting, driven with the passion to transform people's lives. And very early in my career, I realized that my basic level of education is not enough to make a difference in people's life. So I embarked on a path to learn and equip myself with the most advanced knowledge in image education. And then I applied all that knowledge in my image consulting practice and cracked the formula to run a successful image consulting business. Looking back, I know one of the most important ingredients which works as a catalyst to success is the quality education. Hence, I designed and developed world's most advanced program in image consulting. One program that offers you the right knowledge, the right guidance, and the right set of tools to help you succeed in the field of image consulting. ISIM Image Management Dual Certification is India's first internationally accredited program, the one and only gold standard when it comes to learning image consulting. Why is it gold standard? Let me show you. Our flagship program starts from the foundation level, slowly builds its way up to the intermediate and all the way to the advanced levels. You start your journey by learning the concepts in a classroom training, and then you apply those concepts on yourself to discover and experience the power of transformation. Then you test your knowledge through assignments of those concepts and finally learn the real life application of all the things that you have learned in the class through hands-on experience in practicals. There are 8 modules with 26 subjects covering over 115 lessons. This dual certification teaches you the ABC of image. You learn most advanced color analysis, comprehensive image management concepts, including scientific approach to body analysis, personality assessments, and wardrobing, as well as mastering the etiquette and communication skills. Towards the end, you train to become a trainer and finally equip yourself with the business skills to start your entrepreneurship. After completing your program, you have countless career opportunities, be it working as a professional or start out as an entrepreneur. You are eligible to work as an image consultant, fashion stylist, soft skills trainer, or choose from unlimited career options. You also join our beautiful ISIM tribe, a place where image consultants collaborate with each other for business opportunities, support, and grow together as a community. This was just a glimpse. Like I said, it's gold standard, the unparalleled benchmark in image management education. So come on board, experience ISIM.